Hi, my name is Heidi and I own the store TPT, The Lesson Pony. Today's lesson is going to be on candy canes. I'm going to show you several quick labs that you can do with your students during this holiday season.
Here are the candy canes that I recommend you use for the labs. I bought 25 of them at the dollar store. They're still $1. And since they're smaller, they will work out much better for your students to see results quickly.
Again, as I said earlier, this is a simple lab. The materials can be found in any kitchen. I recommend, if you don't have a beaker, especially if you're having students doing this as a homework assignment, use a measuring cup. This is a Pyrex measuring cup. It works very well. The first lab that we're going to do is to measure which dissolves faster, hot water or room temperature water. If you use a measuring cup, especially a Pyrex one, the measurements will be the same. Make sure that the students measure out exactly 1 cup or 8 fluid ounces. If you have larger candy canes, use 2 cups. As I said to you earlier, I recommend the smaller candy canes just because they dissolve faster. Do one procedure with room temperature water. Place it into the Pyrex measuring cup. Let it dissolve and measure it out. The second time, use hot water. I'd recommend that an adult supervises, and measure out how long it takes. Another quick lab you can do is if you take a hammer, smash a candy cane, and see which dissolves faster, a whole candy cane or one that's dissolved. The next type of lab that you can do is take any type of ingredients you have. For example, have students measure out 1 cup of dishwashing detergent. How long does the candy cane take? You can use cooking oil. Basically, any solution that is safe for them to handle, they can use and put in. I recommend that you try any type of soda, sweetened soda, unsweetened soda, or use milk. Make sure that the temperature is the same. When you graph it, make sure that the students remember that on the graph, the x-axis is on the bottom. A quick way to remember it is X marks the spot where the buried treasure is located for a pirate. Y stands for the sky. The way that I really like to teach this lab is to give a bunch of candy canes to the students and have them design their own lab. Have them figure out which of these procedures will dissolve the candy cane. The more freedom you give them, it will take longer, but the more they will be using the scientific method.